The Senra Joai, under the leadership of President H. Toy, Chairman of Arts and Culture Chandlok Dakar and Secretary L. Dakar, held a press briefing to announce the upcoming annual festival Chhat Sukra 2024. This festival will take place over 2 days on the 6th and 7th of this month as a tribute to Mother Earth before the start of the sowing season. During the media briefing, El Dakar revealed that this year's festival theme is Kiwa Tip U Kong U Yaki Hukum Ki Adong Blai Wa Man Iluti Isuk Haparthai, emphasizing the importance of following the teachings of the gods to make life easier on earth.
Contoh misalnya, wala enam syuruk, nanti ada sen terilang, senra umulong, atau senra selong lah, senra selong lah, tak kiwan jual ini, tak boy rasa selong, kiri emtal ni, hari ni kita Sukra, halus namanya kiri berkreatif, ya dengan kita Sukra, kita jari dong senat yogi, kita berkreatif, kita hirwai kamang le da chna di jaja lagi kita mesti lagi te wichi mentalang ni haini hajwa te de wichi mentalang ini te waro hai khruine kata ka jingi chen ni man ka haini halum padi yopia kam man hi kana chwa